Why is a raised to the power 0 equal to 1? Hi guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today we want to look at zero index. It is just a sub-concept under indices. We have already looked at most of the concepts under indices into details. I'll leave the links in the description below. Today we want to prove the reason why a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1, or any number at all raised to the power 0 equals to 1. Let's begin. So we have a raised to the power 2 over a raised to the power 2. The same thing here, but we'll be using two different approaches to solve these very problems. So in the first case, we can express the numerator as a by a over the denominator is also a by a. Now, these a's can actually cancel each other out. At the numerator, if there is nothing here any longer, what will be left is 1 over the denominator as well. We've cancelled the a's out, so what will be left is 1 as well. Now, we know that 1 over 1 is 1. That is basic mathematics. All right, so let this be our first expression. Let us look at the second expression. We want to actually solve this with a different method by using the second law of indices. So this is the same as a raised to the power 2. Because they are dividing, their powers will subtract. So let me just rewrite the division sign. This is also a raised to the power 2. This can be expressed as a raised to the power 2 minus 2. Because they are dividing, the powers must subtract. So finally, we can say that this is equal to 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is a raised to the power 0. This is the second expression. Now, if a raised to the power 2 divided by a raised to the power 2 is equal to 1, and the same expression is equal to a raised to the power 0, then logically we can just say that a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1, and that is what we have here. As simple as that. So this is the proof that a raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now take note, I used 2 over here throughout. You can use 3, you can use 4, you can use 5, depending on whatever value you want to use. You can use that value to prove, and that will still lead you to 1. All right, so let us solve these simple examples. I guess you already know the answers to I and II. So 9 raised to the power 0 is definitely 1. Then 1443 raised to the power 0 is also 1. I hope this simple concept helps.